What is the truth behind the psychology of money? Let's get into it. Welcome back to Veritalogic. Today, we are exploring the psychology of money and how it intersects with other fundamental aspects of your life. Money isn't inherently bad. In fact, without it, you make yourself vulnerable. For instance, according to the APA, or American Psychological Association, 72% of Americans feel stressed out about money at some point. Financial stability helps reduce stress and supports loved ones in times of need. Money provides security, allowing us to handle emergencies and improve our quality of life. Imagine not being able to help your family member in a life or death situation due to financial constraints. Consider how having an emergency fund can make a world of difference during unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. This financial cushion provides peace of mind and stability, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of life. According to Harvard Medical School, love and money both activate the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and creating feelings of pleasure. The emotional highs experienced with love are similar to the gratification of acquiring money. This is why we sometimes feel addicted to both. Recognizing these emotional triggers helps us form healthier relationships and make better financial choices. Love, like money, drives us to seek more of what makes us feel good, but understanding this can lead to a more balanced approach. For instance, consider the concept of retail therapy. When we buy things, it can give us a temporary emotional boost, much like the feeling of being in love. However, this can lead to impulsive spending if not managed properly. By understanding this connection, you can make more conscious financial choices and foster healthier emotional connections. Knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions. According to the NBER, or National Bureau of Economic Research, financial literacy is linked to better financial outcomes, like higher savings and lower debt. Emotional intelligence also enhances relationship satisfaction. Understanding financial concepts helps plan for the future, reducing stress and creating opportunities for growth. Knowledge about emotional intelligence aids in building stronger relationships, enhancing your ability to connect with others. For instance, consider how understanding basic principles like respecting your partner and being honest can prevent personal turmoil. Common sense knowledge enhances your ability to maintain meaningful connections and make smarter life choices, reinforcing the importance of emotional intelligence and ethical behavior. According to Psychology Today, the balance in finances, relationships, and personal growth are critical for overall well-being. Therefore, mastering the balance between money, love, and knowledge isn't just smart, it's vital for excelling in today's world. Achieving this balance can lead to a more fulfilling life. Not to mention, by integrating these three elements, you can achieve a realistic approach towards success. So, to truly understand the psychology of money, It's important to realize it's not just about having piles of cash, but rather it's about understanding how these three important components can work together to create a life you want. Money gives you security, love gives you purpose, and knowledge gives you the power to make informed decisions. They're all pieces of a larger puzzle, and when put together, they work just like a Swiss watch. They say money is the root of all evil, but I disagree. I think money is like love. Everyone needs it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and by the way, today's video was inspired by several articles, and if you are interested in seeing them in more details, I have provided the links to you in the description below. And remember, money doesn't make you, you make the money. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoy learning, then I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget,